Welcome to the yoga journey. Imagine being able to reduce stress, improve your focus, and enhance your fitness levels, all with one simple practice. Welcome, yoga newbies and enthusiasts, to Easy Brizi. Yoga is more than just poses. It's a lifestyle that harmonizes your mind, body, and spirit. If this piques your interest, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell to stay updated with more informative and engaging content. Exploring yoga and its origins. Yoga, a practice that began thousands of years ago in India, is not just about touching your toes. It's about what you learn on your way down. The yoga pose is not the goal. Becoming flexible is not the goal. The goal is to create space where you were once stuck. To unveil the layers of protection you've built around your heart. Rachel Brizi. The science behind yoga. But how does yoga really work? Let's simplify it. Imagine your body as a computer. Yoga is like a reboot process, refreshing your system from calming your alert messages, nervous system, to improving your operating speed, hormone regulation. It even helps in file organization, your focus, and mental clarity. Yoga is a natural way to restore balance in your body and mind. It's like hitting a reset button for your entire system. The physical benefits of yoga. Now, what about the physical benefits? Yoga is like a full-service gym session. It can help increase strength, like lifting weights, improve flexibility, like dance class, and enhance balance, think gymnastics, all in one. Yoga is a comprehensive workout for your body, offering multiple benefits similar to various other exercises, all wrapped in one. Incorporating yoga into daily life. Let's kickstart your yoga journey right now. Here's a simple pose, the mountain pose or Tadasana. Imagine yourself as a tree, your feet rooted to the ground, and your head reaching for the sky. This pose helps improve your posture, balance, and calmness. The mountain pose is like standing tall and strong as a tree, rooting you to the earth while reaching for the skies. Wrapping up the yoga journey. Whether you're looking for mental peace, physical fitness, or a combination of both, yoga is your one-stop solution. Start with the mountain pose, experience the benefits, and join us on this beautiful journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with more simplified science behind yoga and other useful tips. Happy yoga practicing, and remember, the journey is the destination. Yoga is not about touching your toes. It's about what you learn on the way down. Jigar Gore, thank you for joining us today on Easy Brizi. Namaste and see you soon on the mat.